Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to use one of our Bowdabra Patriotic ribbon kits to upcycle an old cowboy hat. So let's get started. I've already taken our 1.5-inch burlap ribbon and wrapped it around my cowboy hat. So I'm going to take that and put it aside. Now I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, I'm going to fold it in half, and just lay this into my Bowdabra. And I'm just going to tuck the ends underneath so they stay out of my way. Then what I'm going to do is take my gold deco mesh, and I'm just going to put this through here, bring it back around, and just put it in here. And then I'm just going to scrunch the middle down in the center here. So we have like a really pretty little mesh bow to get started. Then I'm going to take my wired tails, and we're just going to lay these down. And now what I'm going to show you is, because we want the ribbon to go all straight, here's the trick to how to use a ribbon that has a printing on it or a design on it. What we're going to do is I'm going to take my ribbon and fold it in half. I just think this ribbon is so pretty. And then I'm going to put it upside down into my Bowdabra. So the pattern is going to be right side up. So when I fold it back over, you see the pattern. Then what I'm going to do is take the back of this, the right side of the ribbon, and I'm just going to scrunch this down into my Bowdabra. Then what I'm going to do is the exact same thing. I'm going to make an X here, and then take the right side of the ribbon, put that down into my Bowdabra. And then now I'm going to take the lower loop and scrunch that down into my Bowdabra, and then take the upper loop. And so now you can see you have all of the flags going in the right direction. Then I'm going to take my Bowdabra wand, and I'm just going to take my wand and scrunch everything in. Then I'm going to go over here and take my Bowdabra wire, and the reason I folded it in half is so we have a slip knot. I'm just going to pull everything really tight while it's still in my Bowdabra. I'm going to pull out my bow. I'm going to separate the ends and bring the wire around to the back. And then I'm just going to tie it and tie a knot. And then I'm going to clip the ends of my wire. And I'm going to, now I'm not using a hot glue gun, but I'm using my Zots here. And these are permanent Zots, so they probably will work. If they're so permanent, I can't get them off the paper. So I'm just going to put this here. And then I'm going to start with this little piece of our burlap ribbon and bring it around to the front, then bring it around to the back. Take another of my Zots, and I'm just going to put the Zot right there, let that go here. And now I'm just going to shape out my ribbon, shape out my loops, and have my tails hanging down. And you can either dovetail them or just leave them straight. And then I'm going to use probably a hot glue gun or a really good fabric glue, and I'm just going to glue it right there onto the back of my hat. And you have this really, really fun and super simple to make cowboy hat for your 4th of July or Memorial Day or any Veterans Day party, or just when you want to be patriotic. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. There's a link below to where you can get all of the materials that I've used. So thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, and I'll see you in the next video.